Wife got me a vacuum. Yeah. So we're gonna play with the box. This is your brain on ADD. We're gonna make a vacuum chamber for the Dremel out of the vacuum's box. Brilliant. I know. So what we're gonna do is cut a hole in this space and reach our hands in, vacuum hole at the back. Vacuum Dremel box. Alright, actually I wanted those in there. Let's put those back. Put them back. Alrighty, so we're gonna do 1.5 inch cutout around the whole border here. I should have made one more mark in the middle. These are just for the glue lines anyway. Haha. It's okay. We want the glue to be within that 1.5 inches, so I'm not cutting through the glue afterwards, because I'm going to glue it first. There's our glue area for the inside. Janky! Try out some contact cement here. See how it goes. See how this waffle box does. Oh my goodness. Boom. Spreader. Back corners might not be the fun. I don't know why I did that voice. I don't know what it was. I don't know what that was. Would you be able to come and give me a piece of tape, please? I didn't plan this out. Painter's tape, I guess, should work. Oh yeah, and I know for a fact I got, oh yeah, good even coverage on that. Upside down. Alrighty, it has been much longer than I needed cure time. Let's see what we got. Ooh, baby, I love the way every day. We'll leave that tape on. Trusted Sharpie. Alrighty. Let's mark out some lines, y'all. Alrighty, let's try this new knife. Hopefully everyone stays. Smells just like elementary school. Oh, buddies. Oh, buddies. Oh, buddies. Look what I have done. We together have done this. We have made a nice box. Boom. Yes. Good work, team. Pick up the knife. Alright everyone, the hole's cut, so obviously the next step is lights! Yep. Alrighty, I've made a mark approximately right there. It should leave us enough room to run that vacuum hose in, and plenty of space still to work inside for future additions. Alrighty, let's check it out. Works every time. Alrighty, here is our little spot there. Boom, baby. Ooh. That was some good suction. That almost collapsed the whole box. Look at that wrinkle. Yes. Woo! It's a party in a box. It's a party in a box. It's a party in a box.
Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
We did it. Dremel box out of a vacuum's box, done. It works well. We saw it evacuate that smoke. I've used it since that test, if you've seen my first video. Router sounds. I'm not going to point it out to you. Increase that airflow. Alright? So maybe some future upgrades. But it's good. Battery bank plugs into the USB lights. So that's portable. You get a cordless Dremel. You can go to your friend's house, I guess, do some Dremeling. I don't know. You got some 3 o'clock alley woodwork to do. Whatever, it works. I swear it works, guys. Yeah. 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 Well, that's fine. That's a dead battery bank. And you know what? I kind of took it apart to fill it with to make those pea shooters. So it hasn't been quite right since. But yeah, man. Women. Other. It's sweet. Stay tuned. We got more stuff coming. Some future plans for those pea shooters. Give you guys a good test video. Alright? Something that you deserve for those of you that have sat through all of that and watched it. Some other good stuff coming down the pipeline too. Plenty of projects. Plenty of projects. Comment your thoughts, your ideas. Subscribe. Maybe even like it. I hope you did. And if you didn't, alright. On that note, I'm going to leave you guys a little bit of smoke dance. Thanks for tuning in. See ya.
It sound right, boys.
White boy.